Alright, so we're joined by Reggae Boy, Shamar Nicholson. Firstly, Shamar, a win tonight. Tell me how you feel.
Well, as you can see after the game, it means a lot. You know, I think this is more than a win for the team, the whole nation. This is a huge achievement for the team. So yeah, to get a win, you know, it's really special, and for me, it's very important.
And for seeing the fans in the stands, how did that make you feel this evening as well?
Well, as you can see, the fans, they motivate us. You get me? They were behind us, and I think that gives us the drive to deliver.
Yeah. And for you personally, going to the semi-finals of the Nations League, qualifying for Copa, how does that feel for you?
Yeah, I feel really good, you know. Nice fun for going to the semi-final, that are confident. And as I say, it's not a matter of me scoring goals, but a matter of the team win. That's the most important thing. And as long as we can help the team in any way, I will do it. If we get assist, if we run back, tackle, anything, yeah.